The 2027 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate is here, and it's taking full luxury SUVs to an entirely new level, combining bold styling, premium craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and impressive power. This flagship SUV is designed for drivers who want it all, whether you're traveling with the family, heading out on a road trip, or simply enjoying your daily commute. The new Yukon Denali Ultimate delivers a first-class experience from every angle. At first glance, the 2027 Yukon Denali Ultimate commands attention with its massive presence and sophisticated design. The front fascia features an even larger signature Denali grille with intricate detailing that creates a premium and upscale appearance. Updated LED headlights provide a sharper and more modern look, while the sculpted hood and redesigned bumper enhance the SUV's muscular stance. Along the sides, elegant chrome accents, exclusive Denali Ultimate badging, and large premium wheels add an unmistakable sense of luxury. Around back, refreshed LED taillights and a refined rear design complete the vehicle's upscale appearance, while maintaining the bold personality Yukon buyers have come to expect. Step inside, and the Yukon Denali Ultimate immediately feels like a luxury vehicle that rivals many high-end brands. The cabin is filled with premium materials, including full-grain leather seating surfaces, real wood trim, and carefully crafted metal accents. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create a refined atmosphere. The front seats offer heating, ventilation, and massaging functions, providing exceptional comfort during long drives. Passengers in the second row enjoy generous legroom and premium seating, while the spacious third row remains practical for adults and growing families alike. Technology is another major highlight of the 2027 model. A large curved digital display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. The latest software provides faster response times, improved voice recognition, and wireless connectivity for smartphones. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and advanced connectivity features ensure everyone stays connected on the road. A premium audio system delivers crystal, clear sound throughout the cabin, transforming every drive into a concert-like experience. When it comes to cargo space, the Yukon Denali Ultimate continues to lead the segment. With flexible seating configurations and a spacious rear cargo area, there's plenty of room for luggage, sports equipment, groceries, and everything else life demands. Power folding seats make it easy to adapt the interior to changing needs, whether you're transporting passengers or larger items. Under the hood, the 2027 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate is expected to offer a powerful V8 engine that delivers strong acceleration and confident towing capability. Drivers can expect smooth power delivery, refined performance, and impressive capability for hauling trailers, boats, and recreational equipment. GMC's advanced suspension technology helps provide a comfortable ride while maintaining stability and control. Despite its large size, the Yukon feels composed and surprisingly agile on highways and city streets alike. Safety remains a top priority, and the latest Yukon Denali Ultimate is packed with advanced driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and advanced parking assistance help provide greater confidence behind the wheel. GMC's latest hands-free driving technology is also expected to be available, allowing for a more relaxed driving experience on compatible highways. As for pricing, the 2027 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate is expected to start at approximately $105,000, with fully equipped models potentially reaching $120,000 or more depending on options and configurations. While it sits at the premium end of the full-size UV market, it delivers a level of luxury, technology, comfort, and capability that justifies its flagship status. The 2027 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate represents the perfect blend of luxury and utility. It offers premium comfort, advanced technology, commanding performance, and exceptional versatility in one impressive package. For buyers seeking one of the most luxurious full-size SUVs available, the new Yukon Denali Ultimate is poised to be one of the strongest contenders in its class.